Cream?
Yeah.
No, oh, fuck.
It's all going pear-shaped.
You're like a fucking bull in a china shop. Yeah. Fuck's sake. Now whip our cream up, let's go.
This. Gordon, it just came off by itself.
Guys, that's the eject button.
Yes.
That's the on button.
Oh, that's why it came
Misha
off.
will blame the apparatus. Strawberries, meringue, cream, strawberries, meringue, cream, ice cream, chocolate, wafer.
Yeah, OK.
Sprinkle the chocolate on top. Well done. Good. Off you go, buddy. Off you go.
Yeah.
If no one pays for this dessert, yeah, they don't deserve to be in here. Go, please. Go,
Right.
please. Come on. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Misha, my darling.
Yeah.
You with me?
Yeah, man, I'm
Yeah.
with you, man. Proper. All right, so there you go. That's another 4, yeah?
Earth to Trevor. Earth to Trevor. There. Wafers. Wafers. Take me. Wafers. I'm going to need a fucking week in the Priory after this fucking service. Let's go. Holy fuck. Good man. What was the naughtiest thing you two did when you were kids?
I know what she did to me, what was naughty.
Go on.
One day,
Yeah.
I think I was about 9, and
Yeah.
she stole my 2 pence. Do you remember that?
I didn't steal it.
She took my 2 pence, but you don't understand. Back then,
I was
2 pence was
teasing.
like, it was like £10 when you were a kid back then. You know, it was a lot of money.
Serious?
Paula ran off.
I didn't steal it. I was
Don't
teasing
listen.
her.
Can I tell him the
I was
story?
teasing her.
Can I tell him
He
the
was indoors, yeah?
Jesus.
She ran off with my 2p.
I
And she...
didn't find out I was playing a game.
Can I just tell him the story?
Oh, for God's sake.
I was banging the door down because I was
on.
like, I want my 2p. I was screaming
Right.
out.
Listen,
laughing at her.
tonight, you are going to forgive her right
Yes. Yeah, I'm sorry.
now. Now, yeah, right. Kiss, makeup, yes. That's nice. That's nice. And will you forgive her?
All right, then. Give it back. Wait there.
Give it back.
I gave it back to you, silly boy.
I only 2 left. Let's go. Make these perfect. Right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Right, off we go. Last table.
You know what?
Off
Can I
we go.
just say
Off we go.
that I feel like a weight has been lifted?
Oh, last table, Sherry.
That's the last two.
Trevor,
Really?
well fucking done. Yes.
Thank you.
How was the dessert?
Amazing. I licked my bowl as well.
You licked your bowl.
Yes.
That's
she
my
really
kind of
did.
girl. Well done. Excellent. And did you manage to get your tongue all the way down to the bottom?
No, I had to put my finger in.
Happy diners. I'm so pleased. Are you going to pay for dessert?
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
We'll pay for it.
Ladies,
Pay
really
for
good to
it.
see you. Yes.
It's extremely fresh. Everything complements each other. The juices were gorgeous, and the strawberries just melted in your mouth.
So good.
Right.
Right, okay.
Josie, please give me the results quickly. I'm shitting myself, yes? Whatever happens, I thought you did bloody well. Yeah, you were fast, you were good, and more importantly, you worked as a team again. Yes? And one thing that came out of it, you are a lovely, tight-knit family. Well done.
Thank you.
Really well done. The number of guests that are going to pay for desserts is...
50.
44 out of 50!
Wow.
That's good!
Thank you, guys.
That's very, very good! Well done, well done, well done.
I said 45 as well. Thank you very much.
So, a grand total of 124 out of 150. Well done. Well done. Now, Misha, here's the good news. Sadly, you're not coming back.
Yeah!